In this video, I'll show you how to add a subscribe and save feature to your WooCommerce store. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so for example, I'll show you how to add a subscribe and save options similar to what we've got here. So customers can purchase this product on a one-time basis for the full price, or they can subscribe and save and potentially save up to 10%. So when we click this option here, they can choose the delivery frequency. So for example, they can have it delivered every 2 weeks and get a 10% discount, or even monthly and get 8% discount, right? So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to aoveup.com. Go ahead and download the AOVUp subscription as plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded the AOVUp subscription plugin, the next step is to go ahead and create our plan. All right, so just navigate over to AOVUp and then subscriptions and then plans, and then we'll create our first plan. So just click create new plan. We'll just give it a name. It's just for internal purposes. So we'll say templates because we're going to apply this to our products within our templates category, right? And this is our subscribe and save text. So we'll just say subscribe and save. Purchase option text. So we'll just say purchase option. So this is where your customers will choose between whether they want to do a one-time purchase or a subscription purchase. All right, so we'll say purchase options. And then for the type, we'll select subscription. For the frequency prefix, again, we can add delivery here and it will make more sense in a second, right? So we can create a plan. Well, let's create 2 plans. For the interval, we'll say every 2 weeks. This is our first plan. And for the length, we won't stop it until the customer cancels their subscription. For the name, we'll just say 2 weeks and maybe we'll give it a 5% discount, right? Just to tempt them into subscribing. And then our second plan will be every month. And this one we'll say monthly. In fact, let's do a 10% discount for the shorter duration, just to encourage them to purchase more. And then for the longer duration, we'll say 8%. And then we'll apply this to our templates category. Let's hit save changes. And now let's preview this. So let's head over to our store page. All right, let's have a look at this product here. So now customers has the option to do a one-time purchase, or if they click subscribe and save, here we've got the frequency, right? So they can choose to have this item delivered every 2 weeks or maybe monthly, right? And then just hit sign up.